If your Bosch refrigerator suddenly stopped making ice, don't panic. This is actually one of the most common issues owners run into, and most of the time, you can fix it yourself at home. In this video, we're going to go through the fastest and most effective troubleshooting steps to get your ice maker working again. Stick around till the end so you don't miss a fix that could solve your exact problem. Let's start simple. First, make sure the ice maker is actually turned on. Bosch fridges usually have a small switch or button right above the ice bin or on the dispenser panel. It's easy to switch it off accidentally while removing the ice bucket. So take a moment to check. If it's off, switch it back on and see if the ice maker starts working. Next, check the water supply. Your fridge can't make ice if it isn't receiving water. Look behind the fridge and confirm the water valve is fully open. Then inspect the water line. Make sure it's properly connected, not kinked, bent, or leaking. Even a small restriction in the line can stop water from reaching the ice maker. Now, move on to the water filter. Bosch refrigerators rely heavily on a clean, correctly installed filter. If the filter is clogged or hasn't been changed in more than 6 months, the ice maker may shut down completely. Remove the filter, reinstall it securely, or replace it with a new one if needed. Always match the filter to your fridge model. After that, check your freezer temperature. The ice maker won't work unless the freezer is cold enough. It needs to be below 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideally, between 0 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's warmer than that, adjust the temperature settings and give the freezer a few hours to stabilize. A small temperature change can make a big difference. If you're still not seeing ice, check inside the ice maker for frost buildup. Sometimes ice gets stuck around the mechanism or blocks the water fill area. You can use a warm cloth or a hair dryer on low heat to gently melt any frozen spots. Don't overheat the plastic, just warm it enough to clear the blockage. And finally, if none of these steps work, the issue may be with a faulty component. That could mean the ice maker module, the water inlet valve, or even the control board. These parts usually require professional diagnosis, so at that point, it's best to call a technician. Try each of these fixes one by one, and there's a good chance you'll have your Bosch fridge making ice again soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.